Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations. We're having a little bit of a slow start there. My timer wasn't turned on. The light was dark. Just all kinds of things. But today...
Hi, I'm Sherry. I'm her daughter.
Sorry about that. I'm all
right
rattled.
here.
That's all right. I've already forgot what I was doing here for a minute. So we're going to be doing the giveaway. I want to first off thank the people that viewed the video from beginning to end and the 7 people that said they wanted it. Up until last night. 7. And because there's only 7, this is going to be not only another bonus, but I'm going to give to the 6 that do not win the kit 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, and some universal needles and a little bit of extra.
Or rickrack. No, not rickrack, because that's actually an item. No, a little extra.
Things like something to hold your bobbin or your thread, that sort of thing. So first off, the 7 names are, and you know who you are, so I'll say your first name.
Thank you. That's what I was going to say.
There's Chloe, Linda, Liz, Kay, Brenda, Jennifer, and Joanna. So good luck to you. And Sherry has the counter.
And they've changed the number generator, not the counter.
I'm sorry.
I feel like we should have cash and click, click, click. They've changed it, so...
Okay. We're going to do the best we can.
Yeah, I'll show you how it looks now. So it's not a... So now they put it presets. 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 1,000, custom, whatever. So we're going to do 1 to 10. Or I can do a custom 1 to 7, I guess. Because there's only 7. So custom.
So everybody's a winner today. Whether you get the kit. Now the kit is from Fort Worth Fabric Studios. It is the Lone Star Liberty quilt that we're making, and I believe I read it was going to be 55 by 55. That's all I can tell you right now. I do not have the kits. She has mailed them out, but I just haven't received it yet. Are you ready?
I'm not sure. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I was getting ready to talk, and all of a sudden you're talking on the paper again. So the custom, I did minimum and maximum 1 to 7. So then if I hit, I just wanted to do it while it's... Oh, and look at that. It's lucky number 4.
So number 4 is Kay of the purple wall.
You're going to ask me who that is?
And I'm going to put a mark by it because I have a horrible, horrible memory.
Yeah.
Because I want everybody to win. That's why.
Well, today everybody does win because we only had 7 entries.
So number 4 is Kay. I got a little mark there by her name. So she's going to win the kit. And as soon as I get the kit, I will show it in another video, just whatever video I'm doing. And I guess that's it. And so when I come back for the next video, it will be like a little bit of talking, and I will show you the things that you've made a comment. You want to see the pin cushion, which Sherry likes. You want the, see it right over there. We're going to work, I'm going to work on that. The quilt along for the big go, the go big, whatever. And the thing that I made a comment about, the jar opener. So I brought it up here. I'll show that in the next video so y'all know what we're talking about. Okay? And congratulations, Miss Kay. And like I said, we have...
When would you like her to
immediately
message you? And...
Yeah. First off, everybody is going to have to message me. Everybody's going to have to give me their address. Alrighty? We'll go ahead and I'll show you what we have in the way of the squares that we're giving. So the 10-inch square, did I say we had
10-inch?
6 of them? No, 6 of them here.
Well, if we only had 7 entries and one got the big prize, and then these are all the second prizes.
So, and the first thing I want you to tell me is this is flannel, and it's Woolies flannel, and if for some reason somebody in the bunch is allergic to flannel, doesn't want flannel, please, in your email, when you send me your address, tell me you don't want the flannel. Because I don't want to be sending something to someone who can't deal with it because of their allergy or, you know, somebody in the family or something like that.
Yeah, like wool makes you itch.
Right.
You don't like it on your skin. So
and just to give you a little heads up of what we got. So this is what we're showing. I wish I had the kit, really. I was hoping it would come. Oh, I always seem to be the last person to get the kit, so it's not like I'm that far. I could drive down there in 2 days and get the darn thing. I could, but there's nobody down there. I got to work, so I can't do that.
I'll say there's nobody to visit, so you'd be going there and coming right back.
Yeah.
Now this is...
So whoever gets this one, I'm giving 2.
Okay.
Okay, so,
No, you're good.
okay, so this one and this one goes together.
Because it's not very much in this one. So to make up for it, and there's not a lot in this one either, but both of them together will make up that.
And this has that layer cake. They used to have this on the back of some of those. So that one goes with that.
All right.
So that's the 10 inches. Y'all know what the needles look like. And then the 5-inch I have are...
Excuse me, it's past my bedtime.
I have Free Spirit. Hello. Once Upon a Memory. Butterflies and Berries.
And these just...
Bloom Burst. And Euphoria. Those are the ones that I got to choose from. All I got to do is choose 6 of them. And then the things that we were talking about that were extra, I'm going to make a little bag here. Go ahead and hand me those two. So we're going to split this up so everybody gets some of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's only 5 of these, so I don't have 6 of them.
And then she's just going to divvy them up and
put them in a bag. Yeah. And if I find something else in my drawer, I'll add it to the thing, to the bag. It's whatever fits in this little bag. Okay?
Yep.
Thank you, everybody, for watching. I appreciate it, ladies, for you taking the extra time to stay and watch it all the way to the
whole
end.
video.
Yes, and so that's the bonus. Everybody else that's in here is going to get something. Okay? Thanks. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Congratulations again to Miss K.